Hey guys, my name's Keegan. I'm going to show you how to be cute for cheap today. We are discussing a liquid lipstick. Oh my gosh, guys. I love liquid lipstick. It stays on. There's so many bright colors you can choose from, but putting it on can be really intimidating. You think that it's just a normal lipstick, so you smear it all over the place and then you look in the mirror and you're like, yeah. So I'm going to show you how to do this super quick. Comes out perfect every single time. It's really easy. Let's head on to the bathroom, check it out.